Hey everybody, this is Daniel, the Hungry Hunter, here again with Texas Barndominiums. And today we are at Texas Pride BBQ. This is out here in, I believe, St. Hedwig. It's right off of 1604 and maybe about 10 minutes just south of I-10. So when you first walk in this place, the atmosphere is just phenomenal. Really, your typical country, just good vibe place. And then you walk in, and right as you walk in, there's a big picture of Guy Fieri. So Mr. Flavortown himself has been here. So this place has just got to be good, right? So that's what I'm here to do today. We're gonna try the barbecue. I got some brisket and I got some turkey. I've got a pecan cobbler. I'm not a fan of pecan, but we're gonna give this a try. I got cream corn. And yeah, we're gonna see what this is about. All right, so here we go. Let's try this barbecue. Now, what I do anytime I eat anything, I try it the way it is before I mess with it. I wanna get the full flavor of what I'm eating the way it is. So I'm just gonna use my fingers here because I'm not sharing. Wow, that just falls apart. Look at that. Got that right amount of just that springiness to it. So the brisket's tender, it's moist, it's got a lot of give to it, packed full of flavor. I got the lean. I did have to put a little bit of the fat in there because I wanted, when that fat starts to render down and really starts to cook, that just lends to the flavor. We're gonna try this turkey. Okay, I want to give you guys an idea of everything here and see what's going on. I'm sorry I'm using my fingers, but again, I'm not sharing. I'm eating all of this. That is so good. The thing with poultry is if it's not done right, it can get very dry on you. This is not dry. This is really, really good. Juicy, not too juicy, but just the right amount. That smoke flavor just really penetrates. Now, my big thing I want to try is this pecan cobbler. See if I can get a good bite here. I could eat this every day. Oh, wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat the rest of this, and we will get back with you in just one moment. All right, so we're back. The food was amazing. So like I said before, I have eaten barbecue all across the US. I would say some of the best barbecue I've had in a very, very, very long time. It's just off the chain amazing. So joining me now is Tara Talenko.
That's correct.
Yes. She's the owner, the owner. Her family started this many, many years ago, and now she's running it and doing an amazing job. And so, Tara, tell us about the place.
My dad opened this place up. We bought the property. There was nothing on it when I was 2 years old. And he built our house, which is in the back part. And then we built this restaurant. And then by the time I was 7, we were open. And we originally didn't even want to do barbecue. We wanted to have a diner. checkered floors and everything.
Oh, wow.
We were really into that. We were into the stainless steel kitchen. But we also had a good understanding of how to make barbecue because of his grandfather. 10, 15 years later, we got on the Food Network, and that was a great, great blessing that helped us a lot to make it is what it is today, because we have all this seating. We actually have air conditioning now. We didn't used to have that.
Oh, wow.
So brisket is what we take a lot of pride in, a lot of time and a lot of attention to the simple ingredients, which is like the good mesquite wood and then garlic, because we love garlic, black pepper, and a good seasoned salt, dry rub.
Awesome. Okay, guys. Well, this is it. Texas Pride BBQ in not St. Hedwig, Adkins, Texas. Like I said, it's off 1604, about 10 minutes south of I-10. You got to get out here. Go to their page, give it a like. You can find them on Facebook at Texas Pride BBQ, excuse me. And then you can follow us, obviously, at Texas Barndominium. Go give us a subscribe there to our channel. And I am Daniel, the Hungry Hunter. And
I'm Tara Talenko. And thank you for featuring us.
Absolutely.
Texas
So
Pride.
until next time, Keep eating. Don't forget to give back, support local, and eat and drink local. Talk to you guys later.